Split-screen multitasking is a powerful feature that transforms your iPad into a productivity powerhouse. If you're an iPad user juggling multiple tasks, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering split-screen multitasking. We'll show you how to activate this feature, switch between different combinations of apps, and utilize the full power of your iPad to get more done in less time. Launch the first app you want to use in split-screen mode. You can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the dock, which displays your recently used apps. Also, if the app you open supports the split screen, you will see 3 dots on the top. You can also tap on that. You will see the option to have a split view or side over. What are these options? Split view shows 2 apps side by side, with each taking up half of the screen. This option is great for tasks that require referencing information from both apps, such as comparing documents, browsing the web while writing an email, or editing photos alongside a reference image. Both apps are active and can be interacted with simultaneously. You can adjust the size of each app by dragging the divider in the middle. You can easily switch between different split view pairs by swiping up on the home bar with 3 fingers. Slide over shows a smaller app window that slides over the top of your main app, ideal for lightweight tasks that don't require constant attention, such as checking messages, taking notes, or making calculations. Only the front app is active and can be interacted with. You can access the Slide Over app by swiping from the right edge of the screen. You can keep multiple Slide Over apps open and switch between them using the app switcher. Let's select Split View. Now just select an app that you want to split view with the first app. To adjust the size proportion of each app, simply drag the divider in the middle of the screen to the left or right. So, there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to test split-screen multitasking on your iPad and unleash your productivity potential. Remember to experiment with different app combinations, utilize the various features, and implement the bonus tips to truly streamline your workflow. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.